Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your workload? Picture this. Jim, an accountant, found himself in just such a predicament. He was neck-deep in spreadsheets, the clock ticking away, his frustration mounting, until he remembered something. Something he'd learned at a seminar, a principle, the 80-20 principle. This principle, also known as the Pareto principle, suggests that 20% of our efforts often lead to 80% of the results. An intriguing concept, isn't it? Jim thought so too, so he decided to give it a shot. Jim began to sift through his intimidating workload, identifying the 20% that truly mattered. The crucial figures, the essential calculations. He focused his energy on this compact yet significant chunk of work. And lo and behold, he finished his task in record time. A sense of accomplishment washed over him. But Jim didn't stop there. He began to see his entire workload through the lens of the 80-20th principle. By focusing on the most vital tasks, he could maximize his productivity and efficiency. His workday transformed. To summarize, the 80-20th principle, when applied effectively, can be a game changer. It's about recognizing and focusing on the tasks that yield the most significant results. It's about working smarter, not harder. So the next time you find yourself drowning in work, remember Jim's story. Remember the 80-20th principle. Because who knows, it might just change the way you work, and for the better. And perhaps, like Jim, you'll find yourself eager to share this transformative principle with others. Because sometimes the simplest ideas can make the biggest impact.